Okay, here we have the MetaQuest 3S. We're going to look at how you can remove the stock facial interface. The stock facial interface is this black portion right here with the padding. Maybe you've got a new one that you want to put on, or maybe you want to take it out to clean it. So to take this off, we're going to be pinching on both sides, the top and the bottom, towards one of the edges, and just wiggle it and pull backwards. And there we go, it popped right off. Sometimes just one side might release first, then you do the same on the other side and pull back and it will release as well. Because you can see on the inside here, there's where the mechanisms are that are connecting it. Now to put this back on, or to put on a new one, you just need to line it up, push in, even pressure all the way around. You heard those clips. And now it is on there and you're good to go. If you have any questions about how to do this, make sure to let me know. The very first time that I took this off, it was a little bit stiff, but now that I've taken it off a few times, it has come off more easily, but it's still staying secure in there when I'm playing games and stuff like that. Thank you for watching this one. Make sure you check out my other MetaQuest tips. I'll link that playlist below. We'll see you next time here on True North VR.